Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2024. I'm in the Mega booth here in Cleveland, Ohio with Dieter from Kammrath and Weiss. So tell me, you have this fascinating little silver box in your booth. Can you tell me about it? What does it do?
Well, this box will be used for transporting specimen which cannot be brought on the ambient air. That's why we use this little tiny piece of mechanical high-tech from Germany, which is called transfer module. And this can be used, for example, to bring air-sensitive specimen, lithium, from the glove box to the SEM, next floor, next building, next area, whatever. We guarantee more or less a day for a good vacuum. Unofficially, it will go longer, but one day will be fine to keep the vacuum and to do your experiments somewhere else outside the glove box.
So, so this goes right. It's not very large. It'll go right into your glove box. It'll come in and out of the glove box transfer chamber. Right. But how about having it fit onto a microscope like an SEM? How does it fit on?
In the price or in the system included is a special adapter plate. This adapter plate will be used or will be made, customized for the SEM of the customer, and then it will be fixed on the original stage of the SEM.
So does it do anything else? Like this, I mean, it transfers things, but I mean, you said that it did heating as well.
Yes, it is right. Optionally, we offer for FIP experiments a so-called Z-stroke. We can move the ground plate inside of the transfer module up to 4 millimeters. That will reduce the working distance, and it's a great help for researchers which are doing FIP experiments. Another story is, of course, we are offering heating options. Heating options beginning from 300 degrees Celsius up to 1,500 degrees.
That's hot.
Yeah, it's pretty high. But then at 1,500 degrees, I have to say, you will lose a transfer option. It's just a heating module in this tiny little housing.
Ah, I see.
Okay, and on the other option, or on the other side, you have a cooling option. We offer a liquid nitrogen option which can be installed inside in this little tiny housing.
So you can do the air transfer with the cooling.
That is right.
Wow, that's very nice. So if people are interested in learning more about your cool little transfer box here, where do they find you online?
Well, you can find us online at www.kammrath-weiss.de in Germany.
Okay. And here in the United States, it's being distributed by SPI, correct?
Yes, and here in the United States, we have our own distributor, which is SPI Supplies, and his name is Jeff Hall, and you can contact him in the typical office time here in the US.
Okay. Thanks, Dieter. That's about all we got for now. We got more coming up from M&M. We'll see you then.
You're welcome.